Is Metamask tracking and associating your IP address to every transaction? Well, this is the hot topic for the last couple of days. The crypto community is outraged about it, and quite fairly so. I'm going to give you all the details. Let's get started. This is Crypto Corner, episode 556. Almost the end of November now, 26th of November. Roll the intro. Let's get started. Welcome to the show, everyone. Now, before I talk about Metamask, I quickly want to draw your attention to my tweet here. This is a tweet that I posted a couple of days ago. This is the ongoing giveaway right now. Keystone Wallet is one of the partners of this channel, and if you want to win a free hardware wallet device, Keystone Wallet, which I already reviewed and I've got step-by-step setting up guides and everything, this is the device. It supports more than 1,000 cryptocurrencies, and it is air-gapped, meaning that there is no point of entry, USB, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, none of that. You operate with QR codes. This is why I consider it to be the most safe device on the market. And we're doing this giveaway with Keystone. I'm going to be picking one winner by random on Sunday. So you still have time until Sunday, until tomorrow, to enter this giveaway. You have to retweet this tweet. So make sure that you go onto my Twitter at BusyGeorgie, find this tweet, retweet it, tag 3 friends, and also make sure that you are following me and Keystone Wallet. And good luck to you. You can be one of the winners. After Sunday, I will wait until the end of Sunday, and then I will pick the winner. I will announce it on Twitter, and on the episode on Monday, I will also give a shout out to the winner. So make sure that you go on my Twitter, find this tweet. I will actually pin it, so you will find it in the pinned tweets. In fact, I will do that as we speak right now because I did not pin it earlier. I don't know why, but now this is pinned to my profile. So as you go on my Twitter profile, you will find this. The first tweet that you will see, you can retweet it. Make sure that you tag 3 friends. This is the requirement. And good luck. You can actually retweet multiple times. I will be picking the winner by random. But of course, the winner has to be following the rules outlined in the tweet. So not everyone. I saw that some people are retweeting this, but they're not tagging people, or they're not following Keystone, for instance, or something. So I will check this. Make sure that you do this. Anyways, let's talk about this MetaMask issue. It's caused quite a storm already. And it started with Consensus updating their privacy policy and stating that it will start collecting personal data from the users of the Infura tool, causing quite an outcry from the crypto community, understandably. Infura is an API-based tool that allows users to connect their application to the Ethereum network, to Web3 projects, and it's used by Aragon, Gnosis, OpenZeppelin, and Consensus' own flagship wallet service, Metamask. In other words, Metamask users are at the threat of having their IP address and their Ethereum wallet being linked and stored in a database that could be shared with authorities, or maybe leaked at some point in the future, or hacked, as it always happens. All the stuff you don't really want to deal with as a crypto user. It was an anonymous researcher of Crowley Alpha project who noticed the major update of Consensus privacy policy requirements. And Consensus is the development studio behind Metamask and other Ethereum-centric products, and they also act as a consultancy for companies including Microsoft and Shell in regards to blockchain developments. So Crypto Snooper tweeted this about it. Consensus, the company that owns Metamask, just updated its privacy policy to state that they are collecting your IP address and your Ethereum address when you send a transaction. And he provided a screenshot and a link to their privacy policy, where we can see the highlighted text stating that they will collect your IP address and your Ethereum address. This is their updated policy from just 2 days ago. So, of course, this is a huge concern for the millions of users of Metamask, which is starting to act very much like a custodial service. If you remember, they were the first to block users from Iran and Russia when sanctions from the US began. They did that purely based on the IP of users, which was another big controversy back in the summer. And Consensus isn't the only firm that has recently made the decision to grow the amount of data that it collects from its user base. Uniswap, the most popular DEX, recently began collecting some off-chain data such as users' device type or browser, saying that the move was aimed at improving user experience. They said that the data collection did not include other forms of personal information, such as the user's first or last name, full address, date of birth, email address, or IP address, but the fact is that these companies, even though they're supposed to be decentralized, open source, self-custodial, and so on, they now start collecting increasingly more personal data from users. And as I said, even if they are not doing that with any sinister motive, something that is debatable in the list, there's still a problem because databases get hacked all the time. Data is leaked all the time, and sooner or later, this could mean millions of users' wallet addresses and their IP addresses can be leaked, and random people can see and maybe even track your activity, targeting you for all kinds of reasons. This isn't great. The Metamask issue is still being contested, though, according to this article that I see today in BTC Crypto. Consensus is refuting this. Their CEO, Joseph Lubin, denies that Metamask collects IP addresses. He said that rather than Metamask collecting user IP addresses, it sends the IP address to a RPC provider, a remote procedure call, who is responsible for managing the data exchange between the user and the blockchain. He emphasized that Infura does not exploit this data and that the RPC provider is working to reduce its data collection. But all in all, this is still problematic in my view, and I agree with the majority of the community in this revolt against this practice. It is quite a big deal, and of course everyone is talking about it and we see it everywhere. Now, on to the next story. This is actually a really cool way to earn Bitcoin practically for free, and it's not some scheme, it's actually through Bitget's Launchpool. I talked about Launchpools many times on this channel. You basically deposit your tokens into a pool of funds and farm or earn new ones at no cost. The amount of tokens earned per day depends on the number of tokens staked against the total number of tokens available in the pool itself, and launch pools have become really popular in the past couple of years. Many exchanges now have various offers all the time. Bitget, which is one of our partners, just launched their latest offer where you will stake their native token and you get Bitcoin as rewards. This is the easiest way to earn Bitcoin right now. This is in fact their 12th session of Launchpool with mega earnings and huge prize pool for Bitgetters. I hope you already joined Bitget with my invite link in the description below. You can participate in this launch pool with as low as $1 stake in the pool, and you earn Bitcoin on an hourly basis in return, meaning the rewards will be issued every hour for the duration of this event, which runs until the end of the month. It's only a few days left, so don't waste a minute, guys. Grab the link from the description below and register for Bitget, where you can earn some welcome bonuses and, of course, the launch pool. Bitget is the official sponsor of the World Cup, which is the biggest event in sports right now, and they're partners with Messi, the top football player. They just released this cool video. I'm not playing the sound for copyright purposes, but it's a good one. You should check it out on their website. You should also join their Telegram channel to keep on track with the latest announcements and new contests. They have loads of these. For instance, here's another one where you can predict correctly the results of the last 3 games in the World Cup. That is the quarterfinals, semifinals, and of course the big one, the final, on December the 12th. You can participate starting from the 2nd of December, and their prize pool is $1 million worth of BGB, the native token of Bitget. There's also a $10 bonus for the first 2,000 new users who register for this one, and other prizes too. This is also an announcement you will find pinned in the Telegram group. This is how I found about this. Or you can follow them on Twitter too. They post announcements there as well. But back to the launch pool offer. This one is for up to 3 Bitcoin. Your earnings will depend on the amount of BGB tokens you're staking for the duration of this offer. As I said, it's on an hourly basis. The minimum you can stake is 5 BGB tokens, and they're around 18 cents right now, almost 19 cents. So it's a very low entry point. You have to complete verification in order to participate in the stake to earn campaign. This is something you should know and get it done as soon as you can. You can then stake or unstake BGB at any time, and the unstaked tokens will not be entitled to rewards on that day. This runs only until the 30th of November, so you have to act quickly on this one, guys. Don't sleep on it. I hope you're watching this as I post it. Make sure that you've got the notifications enabled for my channel so you catch my videos in real time. Now, the KYC is needed here because otherwise people can create multiple accounts, and Bitget wants to avoid this, of course. Without KYC, anyone can have dozens of accounts. So this is why KYC is required for this particular offer. And bear in mind, users from mainland China, South Korea, and Singapore are not able to participate. These are the countries where Bitget isn't licensed to operate yet. As you see, there's only 4 days left until the end of this offer, and there will be another one after that. I mean, they did have a Shiba offer before that. This is already completed, so you can't take part. Right now, you can actually stake for another 4 days and earn some Bitcoin for free. Why not? What you need to do here is you can navigate to this page. Once you log in, you will go to Earn, and then you will scroll down here to Launchpool. I mean, you can also check out the other services here like staking and the Launchpad and everything, but you go to Launchpool and this is how you enter this page. And when you go to the offer, you will actually see the details of the offer. You see that this is an actual 3 Bitcoin total rewards pool. 7 days is the farming period. 2 days have already commenced, so you still have another 4 days including today. And today's pool reward is 0.42 Bitcoin. Not bad at all. And also the total staked right now are 6,369,645 BGB tokens. BGB is the native token of Bitget. You can actually get it you can buy it directly from the exchange, and the best part is that spot trading on Bitget exchange is free of any fees, 0 fee on any spot trading pairs. So all of the trading pairs here on Bitget on the spot trading, by the way, because they do have futures as well, but on spot trading, all these different trading pairs you can trade at 0 fees. No fees, guys. So you can buy your BGB token directly from here. It's already 19 cents, by the way. Anyways, as you buy it, you will be trading it for free, and then you can stake it in the launch pool for another 4 days. And I'm pretty sure there will be another offer after that. So it's not going to be money wasted. And also, before I leave you, a quick look at the market today. So we do have Bitcoin going up by 0.32% today. Not much of a change in the last few days. I mean, we did have a bit of a drop in the 2 days ago, and then since yesterday we are back at 16,500. Ethereum is now over 1200. It's 2% up in the last 24 hours. BNB 315, going actually above my target zone for selling. I already sold my BNB. I'm expecting a drop in most of these coins. I'm expecting that Bitcoin will actually drop first and will drag the market with it, and then Bitcoin will do a pullback as well. And I'm expecting this to happen imminently because as I was looking at the charts, I'm not going to go through the charts right now because this video is going to be too long, but as I was going through the charts, I'm seeing that the RSI, a lot of indicators, MACDs on some coins, a lot of indicators are now pointing towards we are being in the oversold region. Therefore, I'm expecting a pullback imminently, possibly today or tomorrow. And mind you, I don't really expect it to be a big drop. I'm expecting just a minor pullback, a decent pullback of something like 5% at the most. And then, of course, we're going to analyze the charts and we're going to predict what's going to happen after that. But of course, after a pullback, we're going to continue the bullish momentum because November and even beginning of December are usually very positive months for Bitcoin and crypto in general. I mean, if we didn't have the FTX fiasco this month, I don't really think we would have dropped to 15K. And in fact, this is really the rally now up to Christmas, and then of course after that we're going to have a cooling off period, and typically January is not very good for crypto and Bitcoin in particular, so we will be analyzing the charts again. But for the moment we are still having quite a decent momentum that we have built despite the FTX fiasco. Even that didn't actually manage to pull Bitcoin down to the 12K, which many people were expecting, and it didn't happen. As I told you that 15K was actually quite a good accumulation point, and those who weren't buying Bitcoin at 15,000 might actually regret it. We will see about that. I'm going to give you an update on this as well. In the meantime, make sure that you're subscribed to this channel if you're not yet subscribed. And also make sure that you leave comments and likes, show your support, leave a like, share this with someone else who would also benefit from watching it. And also, don't forget to check out the links in the description below where I drop the links to all of the crypto services that I'm personally using and that I recommend to you. And while you're here, just pick another one of my videos, and I'll see you in the next one.